Imagine an SUV so luxurious, so aggressively styled, and so outrageously expensive that it completely redefines what the word ultimate means. This is not just a Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 with a full Mansory Widebody conversion, a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that pushes the price close to $1 million and pushes the limits of luxury, performance, and presence even further. This is the kind of SUV that doesn't follow trends, it creates them. And today, we are diving deep into everything that makes this monster SUV one of the most exclusive vehicles on the planet. At first glance, the Cullinan Series 2 already commands respect with its iconic Rolls-Royce design language, but Mansory takes that elegance and injects it with pure attitude. The front end is instantly recognizable, yet dramatically transformed. The signature Pantheon grille is now more aggressive, often finished in dark chrome or carbon fiber accents, giving the Cullinan a bolder, more dominant face. The redesigned front bumper features massive air intakes, sharp edges, and carbon fiber elements that not only look aggressive, but also enhance airflow and cooling. The Spirit of Ecstasy proudly sits at the front, often finished in a bespoke material or darkened finish, making it feel even more exclusive. Moving to the sides, the Mansory Widebody kit completely changes the proportions of the Cullinan. The fender flares are significantly wider, giving the SUV a muscular stance that makes it look planted and powerful. These wide arches are usually crafted from exposed forged carbon fiber, a signature Mansory touch, showcasing intricate patterns that catch the light beautifully. Massive custom forged wheels, often ranging from 22 to 24 inches, fill the arches perfectly. Wrapped in ultra-high performance tires, these wheels alone cost more than most cars, and they add an unmistakable presence on the road. The side profile still retains Rolls-Royce's signature coach doors, opening in opposite directions, creating a dramatic entrance every time you step in or out. Subtle Mansory badging reminds everyone that this is no ordinary Cullinan. Even the side skirts are redesigned, sitting lower and wider, visually lowering the SUV and making it look even more imposing. At the rear, the transformation continues. The rear bumper is redesigned with aggressive styling and carbon fiber elements, while a custom diffuser adds a sporty edge rarely seen on a Rolls-Royce. Quad exhaust tips or uniquely styled exhaust outlets announce that this Cullinan has more power and personality than the standard version. The tailgate, taillights, and roof spoiler are often enhanced with carbon fiber details, completing the wide-body look and giving the SUV a commanding rear presence. Under the hood, the magic continues. The Cullinan Series 2 is powered by Rolls-Royce's legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, but Mansory takes it several steps further. Through extensive ECU tuning, upgraded turbos, and custom exhaust systems, power output can jump significantly, often exceeding 600 horsepower and pushing torque to extreme levels. Despite its massive size and weight, this luxury SUV can sprint with surprising urgency, delivering effortless acceleration that feels smooth, silent, and endlessly powerful. What makes this even more impressive is how refined the performance feels. There is no drama, no harshness, just a smooth, relentless surge of power that perfectly matches the Cullinan's luxury DNA. Whether cruising at highway speeds or accelerating from a standstill, the experience feels calm, controlled, and incredibly confident. Step inside, and this is where the Cullinan truly separates itself from everything else on the road. The interior of a Mansory Cullinan Series 2 is not just customized, it is completely reimagined. Every surface can be tailored to the owner's exact preferences. Premium leather and bold or subtle color combinations wrap the seats, dashboard, door panels, and even the headliner. Diamond quilting, contrast stitching, and embroidered Mansory logos add layers of detail that elevate the cabin to an entirely new level. The seats are redesigned for both comfort and visual impact, offering heating, cooling, massage functions, and endless adjustability. The rear seats feel more like first-class airline suites, with ample legroom, plush cushioning, and an atmosphere of total serenity. Real carbon fiber, piano black trim, brushed aluminum, or even exotic wood veneers can be found throughout the cabin, all finished to perfection. The Starlight headliner, one of Rolls-Royce's most iconic features, remains a highlight. Thousands of tiny fiber optic lights create the illusion of a night sky inside the cabin, and Mansory often customizes the pattern, brightness, or even adds unique designs to make it truly one of a kind. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the interior, creating a calm, luxurious environment no matter what time of day. Technology in the Cullinan Series 2 is seamlessly integrated. The updated infotainment system offers a large, high-resolution display with intuitive controls, navigation, smartphone connectivity, and advanced vehicle settings. Rear passengers enjoy individual screens, premium audio controls, and personalized comfort options. The bespoke audio system delivers concert-level sound quality, turning every drive into an immersive listening experience. Ride comfort remains a top priority. Despite the aggressive widebody and performance upgrades, the Cullinan still glides over the road thanks to its advanced air suspension and Rolls-Royce's famous magic carpet ride. The suspension actively reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time, ensuring unmatched smoothness even on rough surfaces. Whether you're driving through city streets, highways, or light off-road terrain, the Cullinan feels composed and effortless. Safety and driver assistance features are top tier. Advanced systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision, 360-degree cameras, and collision prevention technologies provide confidence and peace of mind. Everything works quietly in the background, allowing the driver to relax and enjoy the journey. Now let's talk about exclusivity and price. A standard Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 already costs a fortune, but once Mansory gets involved, the numbers climb rapidly. With the widebody kit, forged carbon components, performance upgrades, bespoke interior, and one-off customization options, the final price can easily approach or exceed $1 million.